80% of bodywork jobs consist of a small or medium repairs at the low, front or back parts of a vehicle. Until now, the joint management of a small and big repairs of this kind has always had the same drawbacks. On the one hand, the delay in the performance and delivery of minor jobs, since the same traditional booths for big repairs were being used. On the other hand, the investment in drawing time and the energy consumed, both totally disproportionate and practically the same for big and small repairs. As we can see, until now, small repairs have been translated only into economic terms: low profitability. However, let us not forget the figure above. 80% of plate and paint work correspond to these small but numerous repairs. As an integral solution to these needs, we present PaintTROTTER, the mobile system of integral painting which improves the performance for small and medium repairs. PaintTROTTER is a mobile booth incorporating everything necessary to carry out sanding, painting and drying work in the small and medium repairs anywhere in your garage. What turns our autonomous booth into a real solution? Let us examine it in detail. PaintTROTTER incorporates a wide cupboard to keep all the necessary tools and materials. We will also find a compartment to hold hoses, both for air supply and for electrical connection. The control panel centralizes the ventilation, lighting and infrared drying switches, as well as a socket for electrical tools. By means of the sacking screen, we will obtain the air current necessary for the correct sacking and filtering of the residue of pulverizing paint. The vector lighting screen projects uniform and high chromatic performance light over the working area. Finally, the shortwave infrared drying system is equipped with a distance sensor of the piece to be dried, as well as an electronic control of time, intensity and power, thus allowing the drying and hardening of fillers, bonds and paint in a highly short time. What is really surprising is to see PaintTROTTER in action. Its operation can be summarized in just 4 steps. First, the worker moves the PaintTROTTER to the vehicle in any part of the garage. Second, just by connecting the PaintTROTTER to the mains, it will be operative. When the front doors are opened, both the sacking and lighting screens are operative. Now, you only have to press the switch and the system will be ready for painting. Third, the worker carries out the job with all parameters necessary for its proper performance under control. The correct connection and regulation of the spray gun, high-performance lighting, direct and with no shadows for the correct trimming of colors, efficient air sacking which turns the working environment into a clean and healthy space thanks to its 4-stage filtering system, which retains solid paint particles and absorbs the smells, supplying the garage with clean air free from any residue. All these, combined with its reduced maintenance, makes it a highly efficient sacking system. Fourth, finally, the shortwave infrared drying system is very easy to use thanks to its telescopic arm with suspension system, which combines an efficient and simple electronic control panel. By means of our unique infrared system, the drying time is reduced into a third part compared with a traditional booth, thus saving time and energy. Definitely, with the traditional system, your company bears high energy costs, long processing and delivery deadlines, low profitability. Forget about the waste of energy. Forget about delays in delivery. And forget about economic losses. With PaintTROTTER, you will obtain enormous energy saving. In addition, you will dramatically reduce the processing and delivery deadlines, and consequently, you will notably increase your profitability and your income.